Welcome back to Horilla's technical series. And today we are exploring Horilla's white label feature, specifically how you can customize Horilla to match your company's brand and create a seamless internal experience. Today we will be covering what internal white labeling means for your organization and how you can customize Horilla with your company branding. Whether you are rolling out Horilla to 50 employees or 5,000, making it feel like your system can significantly improve your user adoption and create a more cohesive digital workplace experience. Internal white labeling is about making Gorilla look and feel like it belongs to your organization. Instead of your employees seeing generic Gorilla branding, they see your company's logo and they have a seamless HR experience. Just like how you use your office lobby, business cards, and website all reflect your brand, your internal HR systems should too. It's about creating consistency in your employee experience. Now, while Horilla's open source nature does allow for more extensive white labeling possibilities for various business models, today we are focusing specifically on internal organizational use, making Horilla truly yours for your employees. The goal is simple. When your employees use Horilla, it should feel like a natural extension of your company's digital workplace. Want your employees to feel like they're using your company's success system, not just another third party tool? Okay, so let's see how we can enable white labeling in Horilla. In our previous video, we had discussed how we can set up Horilla for your local development. I'll open up my terminal. So my terminal is opened up over here. You might remember that we created a directory named development, and inside that we have a folder named Horilla. So this change the directory to that. And if I list the files over here, you can see all the files related to Horilla. Next, I'll open up this directory in my IDE. I go with the Visual Studio Code. You can choose the IDE of your preference, either PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Atom, in any IDE which you prefer. So I go with the code. I just type in code and first play the dot simple. So this opens up the Visual Studio Code in this directory. So yeah. So now you can see that this directory is opened up in my Visual Studio Code. Okay, before that, I'll just run my server by 3 manager UI. So, oops, yes, I forgot to activate virtual environment. So for that, I type so 11 we've been. So now you can see the virtual environment is activated. I'll just run work command again. Okay, the server is now loaded and open up in my browser. So now you can see this is the default login page provided by Gorilla, where you can see the Gorilla branding and other things. So one thing I'll do is I'll just log in. I'll just change the company name. So by default, during my initial like setup, I have added a company named Gorilla. So I'll just change the name to Cybersis to remove the ambiguity once we enable the white label. So let's just type Cybersis Technologies. I set this as the headquarters company. So just let you know why you set up that. So said country as India. Killer code. Also, I changed the default logo, podcast logo to Cypress logo and say this. So the thing I just changed the company to another company, like to remove the ambiguity. So we did a company name Cypress and also said that company as the headquarters. Okay. Next, I'll show you how you can enable the white labeling. So to do that, you come to the Horilla directory. You will see a folder named Horilla, and inside that, you see a file named Horilla ads.py. You open up that, and if you come to the bottom, you see a variable named white labeling, which is set to default value as false. Enable the white labeling, you change the value from false to true, and you say this. Wait, let me say insufficient permissions. So for that, I'll just add some permissions. Okay, good. So go chon minus r, sorry, Gorilla, and so it's just that I was lacking permissions to save those files, so I added the permission. Okay, the file is now saved. I'll just run the server again. Your front server. Okay, the server is now running. So if I just log out, you can see that Horilla branding has been removed from the login page, and also the headquarters company name is displayed over here. Now if I log in again, check the sign, you can see the branding has been also removed from the like breadcrumbs over here. So this is how you enable white labeling in Horilla. The one thing that you just need to take care of is you have a company which is which has this headquarters enabled. Let's say if you have 5 or 6 companies, at least one of those companies should be in headquarters. Yes, and yeah, that's all about how you can enable white labeling in Horilla.